So the inventory has a few more functions. In the last video I got really bored. I'm really sorry. So let me continue. In the last video we saw how we can create products, and we edited it, added an internal reference number and ordered this product. See, one is purchased. That's good. So now we're gonna see what else can we do in the inventory. Let's take this t-shirt for example. Now we have added variants to this: S, M, L and XL. That is a variant for size. We can also add a variant for color, but let's create another product to show you that. So let's go to create. We'll create a sample, let's say phone cover. This will show how we can create variants for product. So it's related to electrical, so we'll let it be in the mobile one. So let it be E dash 00, I think 6 we have created, 5 we have created, 5 to 6. So that should be 7, but we can edit it later. So here's the thing, variant. Now we can create another one. We're creating a variant COLOR, color. We can select color here. Now we can add a value. So let's say blue. Okay, and we can add the color using, for example, this. We can add another one, let's say green. Okay, choosing. Let's add another color, let's say red. Okay, so now just a second, and we got red here, and we can save. Now here's the thing, variants can be created instantly, dynamically or never. Since it was advised in the learning tutorials to use instantly, so we will be going with that, and we have created 3 colors here. We can save it. Now we can add the values here. We can add blue, and how about just red? 2 colors. Now let's sample. Now let it be for iPhone 11. Okay, and we already have iPhone 11 Pro, so let's go for the Pro one. Okay, we can go to images and just select the one which we like. So now let's say we were going for blue. That is the first color, and here we got it. So, and we'll just download this image. It's a JPEG. Okay, I've downloaded this image, and we can upload it over here. Where is the blue iPhone? Blue iPhone. Yep. So here's it. Okay, here we can only add one image, but I'll let you know how we can add the another one. So we have created the variants. Now let's go for e-commerce. Let's create another. Okay, so this can be covers. We're creating another category cover. This can be the parent category. Let's search. Sorry. So we got electronics and mobile phone. So this can be parent category because it's related to mobile phones. We can do save and close. Here we got it. Now, okay, this time we will not be manually placing an order. Rather, we'll be using a reordering, you can say, sequence, which is provided by Odoo. So we have to go to purchase. We'll add a vendor. Let the vendor be Apple this time. Yeah, we got Apple sample here. We can vendor product name Apple lemon Pro case. Okay. Product vendor code could be just 11 Pro C-36. Okay, now price for this we can set it at, I don't know the price, so let it be 150. It's even close. Let's have a look at, wait, so we got we'll add this a little later. Okay, so let's go to inventory. By we can see the customer lead time is 3 days. We can change, and the weight of this thing could hardly be 50 grams. Accounting will be the same. We won't be adding or deleting anything. E-commerce POS cannot be implemented by us due to lack of facilities. And here, let me just update the cost. So we're buying it at about 150. Apply, and here we're gonna change the cost. Let it be about 299. I guess that is fair, or we can keep it at 329. Much better. It's Apple. Product category all storable product. We are not changing this. Okay, it's got two variants. Now we can configure the variant. Now this can be used to increase the price, like value extra price, but since it's just for color, we'll be keeping both the prices same. Color, value, display type, color. So let's go here. Now let's go to the variant. Now we have to create an internal reference for the variant first, then only we'll be able to add it. So we're gonna get internal reference E-071. We can save it. Let's go to another. So we can edit now. E-072. Another one. We can save. So now we got the product variants covered. We can see the internal reference, name, attributes or values, sales price, cost, quantity on hand is nil. Okay, so let's go to phone covers. Okay, now we can go to purchase and add a vendor. Let the vendor be Apple sample, product name. Since it's the blue, so we can write 11 Pro case blue, and each can have a different product code 11PRB. Now for the product variant, since we added the internal reference, now we can put the product variant here. So we go the price 150. Similarly, we add another one. We put the vendor sample. Okay, and we can add it, and we cannot if we don't want to, but let's add it. Pro case red, and another sample product code. It's not necessary, but it's better. -R, sorry, equal to aa gaya. See, so now we go to product variant, we go to red, and we can, here's the price, sorry, here we go. We can also have a validity. For example, if the vendor is selling us from a specific time for a specific rate, we can add that, but we are keeping the price universal for the time being. Now we have added the vendor, we have added the price. Okay, looks good. We got the variant. Now let's go to the website to have a look. As you can see, temporarily out of stock, which is nice, but the color is coming same. So let's edit it. I think that should be possible. Now all we have to just add red, select whichever you like. This is good, this is good, let's go with this one. Sorry. And save image as, yep. Again we go here. Now we can upload that image and maybe crop if necessary required. Here's the red iPhone. Let's reduce it a little bit, and I think that's 256, little small. The image quality be at 100%. As you can see now, looks a little bit better. And here's a red, optimized and added. Now we can save, and we can see the two different colors. The size could be varying, but we can change it later. Now since it's temporarily out of stock, so now we'll be using another feature, which is reordering. Last time we purchased it. Now we can simply set up for timely reordering. We go to master data, we set the products. We're gonna learn about reordering. Here's the iPhone cover. Now you have to go reordering. This will allow us to automatically place order rather than placing it manually, which we created. So we don't have to create a purchase order, it will automatically create it, we just have to confirm it. So let's create one. So the product will be the phone cover. Here we go. Now let the minimum quantity, let the minimum quantity be 4, and let the maximum quantity be 10. I think that should be okay. We can save it. We can go, so you can see. But now this is just for the blue one. We also have to do it for the red one all. So we have to create another one. product will be the red cover. We can set it to 4 and max to 10. Here we go. Now we can run the scheduler here manually, so let's run it. Stock will be created automatically. Let's go have a look at the purchases, and here we get this is the purchase order which was created without me actually typing it. Let's have a look. Here it is. For the red and blue cases, quantity 10, that is the maximum one. So now all we need to do is the print RQF if we want for documentation. Here it is. And now let's confirm the order. We got one receipt. Now we can again wait 3 days, which was specified, as you can see. Or it's waiting to process, or we can just go to the purchase order again and we can receive products. But since this does not has a vendor reference, we can add it manually. One for Apple we are using the reference 01, so let's add the reference. Here we go, and save it. Okay, and let's receive the products. We can validate here so that we don't have to go to inventory to validate it again. Here's the invoice. You can see, if you want we can print it for you. Here's it. Status ready to inventory, which is the WH stock or the warehouse used for stocking. Is the Apple sample address, vendor address. Okay, so let's go validate it, apply. We validated it. That's good. Now for the bill, we need to create bill here. This will be paid by us later. Here you can see the bill, delivery address, which was this is where you can see the payment term, it's in 15 days. Vendor bills, that's good. And now all express account, and I think it looks fine for now. So let's just post the bill and save. So we'll learn more about payments and handling invoices and stuff in the accounting module, but I think this is enough for the inventory one. We went through the basics, how to configure products, how to create variants, how to create reordering rules. So thank you.